Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from NLC. Yes, when you will go to the official website of nlcindia.in, here you can see in the latest recruitment update. Okay, this is the showing you recruitment of graduate executive trainee GETs in various disciplines through GATE 2024 scorecard. Okay, yes, when you will click here, you can see this detailed advertisement. So, sorry, let's have a discussion here. So first of all, we can see NLC India is a premier Navratna public sector company. Okay, and they are going to recruit here in the various discipline. Number of the post mechanical here. Okay, get 24 paper code is ME. Number of posts they mention here 143953. So total number of vacancies are 34. Category wise division they specially mention here. Okay, first area. Second area, here again they are having total 50 vacancies. So total number of posts for area 1 and area 2. Okay, they mention here number of posts for the thermal power station and renewable energy. Second is number of posts for the mines and allied services. Okay, so total number of vacancies for the mechanical students are 84. This is based on the GATE 2024 scorecard. Second, electrical paper code should be doubly 18 and 30. Total number of vacancies are 48, including both the area. In civil, paper code should be CE 15 plus 10. Total number of vacancies are 25. While in control and instrumentation, paper code should be IN. Okay, number of vacancies are 10 only. So total number of vacancies on the basis of GATE 2024 scorecard are 167 DA students. This include mechanical, electrical, civil and IN. Okay, they mention here more details also. You can see what is the education qualification required. So with the GATE scorecard, candidate should have qualified in the GATE 24 examination in the relevant GATE code. Marks of GATE 24 will only be valid for this recruitment. Only GATE 24 marks is required. Okay, so what is requirement here? Paper code should be this one, and full-time BE BTech degree in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering and instrumentation engineering they required here. Okay, and GATE 24 scorecard. And now other than this, they mention here the marks or the percentage. So minimum qualifying marks of minimum qualifying percentage of 60% for the unreserved EWS and OBC categories, and for the SC/ST categories this is 50% in their BEB Tech. Okay, candidate who have passed the notified qualification only are eligible. Any other qualification which are regarded or classified as equivalent or having combination of branches other than the notified will not be considered. They clearly mention here. Okay, there is no reservation categories. They mention here also. So please check it out. More details also they mention the general instruction. Now here the upper age limit. So upper age limit for unreserved EWS is 30, for OBC NCL 35, 33, 33, 35 and 35 for the SC also. Okay, ST. Now induction in CTC they mention here post will be on this recruitment you will get the post of graduate executive trainee. Grade E2 pay scale will be 50,000 to 1,60,000. Your CTC will be 13.62 lakh per annum. Okay, they mention here what is not included in addition to the CTC mention about performance related pay, medical and medical treatment for self and dependent. So they are having here the separate things also. Okay, now while you will be in the training, on successful completion of training, the trainees will be absorbed in the E3 grade in the pay scale of 60,000 to 1,80,000. So but in the training period you will get E2 grade and pay scale will be 50,000 to 1,60,000 with the basic pay of 60,000 per month. In addition they will paid this other benefits also, 30% of the basic pay plus DA. Posting selected candidates will be posted to undergo training and work in any location under the control of NLCIL. Okay, reservation relaxation, you can see the details about the reservation relaxation they mention here. Okay, medical fitness is also there. Some general condition they mention here. Candidate who have passed the notified qualification and had qualified 24 only are eligible. So please check here for more details. Okay, and yes, how to apply they mention here the official website also, www.nlcindia.in. Student through you can apply. So this is surely a very good opportunity on the basis of GATE 2024 scorecard. So here payment of application fee. Candidates are required to pay non-refundable amount of rupees 854, in which 500 towards application fees plus okay plus INR 354 means 18% GST. So they mention here application fees plus GST total amount will be 854 for the unreserved EWS OBC candidate. For SC ST PWD exempted from the application fees, but they need to pay some 18% GST. Okay, so that they need to pay 354 rupees only here rather than 854. Okay, so what documents you required here, please check it out. Every detail they mention here, which size, which format you want your documents. Okay, now let's talk about the last date. Opening of online registration of application date and time will be 16th December. It will open from the 16th December. Today is the 7th. It will open from the 16th December and the last date will be 15th January, dear students, of online registration of application, and for fees also the last date is 15th January. Okay. So please check it out. The more details also according to this one here, they mention some more information, so please check it out. And you can go to the official website which I show you. This is the official website. Here you can see they are showing you the detailed advertisement option and you can check it out. Okay, stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.